In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a file in Google Drive. Whether it's a document, a spreadsheet, or a presentation, renaming a file is a simple process that can help keep your drive organized and make it easier to find what you need. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head on over to Google Drive. Once you're on the home page, you'll see your files and folders neatly laid out. If your file list is long, or if you're having trouble locating the file you want, use the search bar at the top. Type in a keyword related to your file, and Google Drive will display results matching your search term, making it much easier to pinpoint the exact document you wish to rename. Once you've located the file, click on it with your mouse. Make sure not to double-click, as this will open the file instead of selecting it. With the file you wish to rename highlighted, right-click on it to reveal a drop-down menu of options. From this menu, you'll want to find and select the option labeled Rename. A small window will pop up, allowing you to change the name. At this point, you'll see the current name of your file already highlighted, ready for you to make changes. Just type in the new name you want to assign to your file. Be sure to choose something clear and descriptive so you can easily identify the file in the future. It's a good idea to include relevant details in the name, such as the date or the project it relates to, if that helps keep your files organized. After you've typed in the new name, you'll find an OK button in the pop-up window. Click on it to confirm the change. If you decide against renaming the file, you can always hit the Cancel button to exit without making any changes. And just like that, the file has a new name. You should now see this updated name reflected immediately in your file list on Google Drive. It's a quick and effective way to keep your Google Drive tidy and ensure that you can find files at a glance without getting bogged down by vague or repetitive names. If you need to rename more files, just repeat this process for each one. Remember that an organized drive not only saves time, but also reduces stress when managing multiple projects or working under tight deadlines. That wraps up today's tutorial. I hope you found it useful and can put this knowledge to practical use in organizing your own digital workspace. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more handy tech tips and tutorials.